What's up, guys? Chris with Croft CNC here. I just wanted to go live and show you guys the new machine. This is the CNC for newbies 4x8 rack and pinion CNC router. I'll also put laser on it. I'll also put my impact engraver on it. And I might actually put a plasma attachment on it too. We'll wait and see. But it's really cool. I have a wireless pendant that I can actually control it. So if I choose the axes, hold the button down. I have it so it's a safety button. Change axes, hold it down, and we'll go back. So everything's set up nice on this. I think that this wireless setup is awesome. All the setup and everything went really fast, really easy. The company sent me this machine to test it out to basically try and break it for them. They've got a really good track record of building stout machines. So we're going to put this thing through its paces. As you can see, 2x4 American extrusion, American sized extrusion. The gantry itself, 1/2-inch thick side plates, linear guide rails, rack and pinion interface, stepper motors. This right here is a really cool feature. It's the tensioning and gear reduction system. Another 2x4 extrusion backed with a 1x3. The slave Y motor actually runs up through that. Drag chain has all the limit switch and everything like that on it. Double linear rails. All of this is supported on a stout aluminum cross brace frame. Extrusion bracing on the legs. The legs are all they're laser cut and they're tabbed and slotted together. I do have to put the feet on to level it. It's using a Gecko 540 driver system with a UC100 computer interface module and UC CNC software. So we still have some stuff to do. Oh, and this is the UCR 201. CNC for Noobs was nice enough to send that along with the machine. All in all, I've put this machine, I've put it together, taken it apart 4 times, moving it around. I assembled it in my driveway one time. I assembled it in the garage, and then I decided I wanted to be able to do videos in the garage, so I put up wallboard. Just trying to get shit done. Other than that, this thing's a beast. I can't wait to run it and see what kind of system we've got here. I've got to put the waste board on, and I've got to level it, and that's it. I'm actually going to take it out and flip it around, and then put it back in the garage so that the back of the machine back here is actually facing out the door. So with this, I'll be able to run 4x8 sheets, but I can also tile stuff. So we can do nice long live edge tables, engraving those and things like that. But this machine is a beast. It weighs roughly about 350 pounds. For an extrusion based router system, that's quite heavy. But I mean, it's stout, easy to put together. All the measurements are working out real good. So yeah, I'm just really excited where this is going to go. You know, once again, I want to give you a little bit of speed testing. This thing is so fast. Turn on my handheld, hold the button in. Change to the Y. We'll change to Z. We can do a homing sequence just by the push of a button. Let's see here. I got to hold that in. We can 0. So now, still trying to figure this out. We can change our distance. We can start and stop program all from this wireless piece. So I can be walking around the machine with this and I don't have to be tethered to the computer. The computer is a Windows 7 computer. It's an Dell. It's like a Dell workstation system. All in all, it's pretty unique. We got e-stop on here. I can e-stop this and make it change. Hold that in. All in all, nothing is going to be the same with this. This is a great entry level light industrial machine. They sell it as a hobby machine, but I can tell you, I've been able to do industrial stuff on this thing. That's my X-Carve. You know, we've done videos where we've upgraded that a lot. All in all, you guys have no idea what's getting ready to hit the market with this machine. We've got our mini mill here. We've got 2 of our robot arms there. We got another one of our laser machines here. I actually have a machine here. and we're going to use that for doing drawing custom glass ornaments. So yeah, that's kind of where everything's at. Figured I'd give you guys a run at everything and go from there. All right. So I'll talk to you later. Peace.